Hello everyone, this is Ranjit from Market Tech Learning. In today's videos, we are going to explore Google Video with Veo and state-of-art video generation model that let you create stunning videos and videos using AI prompts and images. Okay, so by end of this video, you will know how to generate videos using Veo with Python step by step. Okay, so I have opened this session, and before that, I give you this short what we are going to do. So we are going to use Veo on Vertex AI. And what is Veo? Veo is a Google AI video uh, generation model which create realistic videos from text and images. Okay, why Veo we are using on Vertex AI? Scalable and secure, accessible via Python SDK, built for developer as well. Okay, and objective of this lab is we are going to use Google Gen AI SDK, which generates videos from prompt and images. Okay, so let's start. Okay, its session is opening. Let's wait for a few seconds. So it's just 30 minutes of a session, and we are going to use Collab Enterprise Notebook in under the Vertex AI. So I will show that how we can do that. Okay, task one is let's understand. So task class initialize a Gen AI in the Collab Enterprise Notebook. Create. Okay, now I will go to the Vertex, and here we have to, you can see we have dashboard, Vertex AI dashboard. So these are the agent builders tools and notebooks, model deployment. Okay, but we have to go with the notebooks, that is Collab Enterprise. So we need to enable the API, that is Vertex AI. For data form API, computer gen is already enabled. So just enable it. So in we have to go with the my notebook, and here we need to select new notebook. So our new notebook is assigned by the name of the our project ID. So we can leave it, no issue with that. Now, first thing uh, we need to do, we have to install this Google Gen AI. Okay. So here we are installing and upgrading the Google Gen AI and the media libraries, Python libraries. So just we need to copy, hit it enter, copy it here, and then click run this cell. We have to run this cell. So here you can see it's connecting. So yeah, we can say open up, authorize. Okay. So see, after the cell completes, indicates a check mark to the left of the cell, the package should be installed. Okay, to use them, we have to restart the runtime. So this is the runtime. Here still it's loading. Here we can see like this image, the RAM disk. Okay, so just we need to wait. It's almost going to be complete within next few minutes. Okay, so it's completed. Here you can see we are able to see the RAM waiting for to finish the current execution is reasons machine type. So it's like we are creating the environment where we need to run this, right? You can machine type for environment Python. RAM is 1 point is 15 GB of RAM. Disk is 900 GB, that is 94.25. That is the platform which is version. Now we need to run this. Need to restart the session. Okay, so I will just restart session and all once it's restarting, right? Okay, so restart session is completed. Runtime is successfully rebooted now. Now I will create one more cell, and in the cell we are going to import these libraries. Okay, time, your libraries. From where? From PIL import image as image from Google import Gen AI, and from the Google Gen AI import types. So just we need to copy, paste, and run it. Okay, so it also completed. You can see 7 seconds ago it's completed. It took 7 seconds to complete it. Now paste the following in the new code and run this. We are now setting the project Google project ID and the location. Okay, so import OS project ID is already assigned as per client Gen AI client location. We are already assigned. So just we need to copy, click, open one more cell, paste it, and run it. So we have assigned the project ID and the location. Now we are defining the helper function to display media. Okay. So def shows video GSI, it's going to the GSURI. Okay, media show. So just I will copy. It will one more command and then just run it. Okay, so that also completed. Now we need to load the video generation model. Okay, that is Veo. We are going to use Veo 2.0 in this. Latest we have Veo 3, but in this model we are going to use, for this lab we are going to use Veo I2, Veo 2. Okay, so the model got loaded. Now generate video from your text prompt. So in this section, we are going to use textual. Okay, so as we know, Veo generate 8 seconds of videos. And so what are the details we need to give? We need to give prompt, aspect ratio like size of the window video you want. Okay, file location where it the video generator file where you need to put, and number of videos which you want to get, whether 1 hour video, two, duration maximum 8 seconds, but you can set how much second, like 5 or 6 or 7. That so that also you can set. Video prompt enhancement, offer the option to provide prompt. Okay, so it will also help you to with the operating. I mean, to enhance your prompt as well. Okay, so set enhancement prompt equal to true. So if you do that, it will enhance your prompt and give more detailed video or more than that. So here, then the code snippet to generate a video from the text. So here you can see prompt. We are giving a tax, a cat reading a book. Ratio is 3.9, and output where it stores, it's at a storage bucket. If you see, we already have one storage bucket. I will show you as it's already we have create. I mean there. Mm, So I will show you the storage bucket once. So here you can see currently we don't have in this bucket any file. Okay, but uh, okay, I will change this prompt. I will don't go with the default one. I will make it as change as well. So what I will do, I just copy from here, enter a new code, paste it. I will make it as, I will change the cat is playing cricket with rat. Let's see. I just changed the default. So I changed the prompt. Prompt has from the existing lab. So let's see and now run it. Ratio, I will let it the same ratio. So still it's running. So just try to understand this prompt meanwhile. Okay. So it's completed. Oh, see. So that's cool. It's created a 5 seconds of video. Just we are using the text. Okay. So we can change the ratio if you want. I will make it the ratio like here we have given 69, 69, and I will make it as, see, currently you have this ratio, right? Now change it as alternatively 9, 16. And I will change the prompt as well. A cat is running on the road. Let's see. I'm not going to change anything in this Python script. Duration, you can see number of videos you want to, that also you can change. Duration 5 seconds. No. Okay, enhancement prompt. The prompt to get enhanced. That's true. So here, if the operation is not done, sleep. Kids go to the sleep mode. If operation is response, then show the video. Wow, you can see the cat is running on the road. That's good. Okay, now let's go to the next one. Here we are generate the videos of people who can also person generation. We allow the parameter allow adult or don't allow adult. So here allow adult as given. Let's see. So what is the prompt? Sculpting a ball on a pottery wheel. The ratio is 9:16. Okay. So it's like an Instagram or TikTok ratio that we are giving. In the video length, if you see. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, so here you can see beautiful adult persons allowed. So that's also it's got generated. That's cool. See how quality of video you can see it's like totally recording, but you imagine it's just AI generated this video. So cool, right? So that's it. So this is the short lab, like how we use model and using the Python, how we can generate this video. Okay, so hope you like this video. We have completed it within 20 minutes. Okay, so like this video if you more want, you want to learn some on the generative AI on Google Cloud. So please like to subscribe and like this video. Okay, so thank you again. Have a great day. Bye.